Vata, Pitta and Kapha. These three dosh are the fundamental principles of Ayurveda and yogic tradition. Recently, I shared a video with all of you on Nabhi Puran. I also shared the next video on what oil has to be applied in what disease. Then I shared the importance of castor oil, and today we are going to talk about which oil has to be applied at your navel in case of Vata diseases, in case of Pitta diseases, and in case of Kapha diseases. So if you want to know that, do watch this video till end, because I will also be sharing what are Vata diseases, what are Kapha diseases, and what are Pitta diseases. Stay tuned. Namaste Hari Om, I am Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you all at Bharat Yoga English. Today we are going to talk about Vata, Pitta and Kapha. And when we talk about Vata, Pitta and Kapha, these are three dosh that govern all the physical and mental processes of our body. All of our diseases are divided into these three categories. This is a Vata disease, this is a Pitta disease, this is a Kapha disease. So let's talk about Vata first. What are some common Vata diseases? So among the common Vata diseases, your joint pain, bloating, and even heart-related problems. And other than that, weakness of body, weakness of bones, swelling, stomach ache, this all comes in Vata diseases. When you suffer with Vata diseases, what oil shall be applied at your navel? Well, if you have any of the Vata disease, oil that you should be applying at your navel is either sesame oil, which is called til ka tel, or almond oil that's called badam ka tel. Sesame oil is a wonderful oil to cure joint pain and other problems, and almond oil can be applied for all the skin related problems. Now we come to Pitta diseases, Pitta related problems. Pitta, when heat of your body is increased. So acidity comes under Pitta problem, then skin rashes and skin ailments, psoriasis, it comes under Pitta problem. Then heartburn comes under Pitta problem. Jaundice, gallstones, this all comes under Pitta problems. So if you have Pitta related diseases, what oil you should be applying at your navel? For Pitta related problems, best is nariyal tel, which means coconut oil, or cow desi ghee, Gau Mata ka desi ghee, that shall be applied at your navel. Coming to cough related problems, which generate when the cooling element of your body is increased. What are cough related problems? Continuous cold and cough, asthma, bronchitis, allergies, pneumonia, lungs related problems, this all falls under cough related. Sinusitis, this all falls under cough related problems. So if you have cough related problems, what oil you should be applying at your navel? Castor oil, arandi ka tel, mustard oil, sarson ka tel, salt oil, because these oils help you in relieving cough related disease. This is about division of oil application as per your body type, but we need to take care of few things before applying oil at our navel. Whether we are applying it for Vata related problems or Kapha related problems or Pitta related problems, we must warm our oil a little before application of it inside your navel. Now, when I say warm it, it's not necessarily that you warm it on a pan or on a stove. You can just take it in your hand and you can rub it for some time and it will be a little warm, and then you can apply it at your navel. Make sure that your navel is cleaned properly before the application of oil at or inside at your navel, and you need to leave this oil at your navel overnight. If you want to know more about the procedure of Nabhi Puran, I had shared this video with you some time back, and you all have showed lots and lots of love for this video. So those who have not seen this video, you can watch this video. We'll be sharing the link at the description box. That's all about the pravritti of your body. As per Vata, Pitta and Kapha, what oil shall be applied in your navel. Now, if you want to know what exactly is Vata, what exactly is Pitta, what exactly is Kapha, and Guruma, how do we know what is the pravritti of my body? I'm sure few of you want to know that. So do write it down at the comment box below, and we will come up with a separate video on that. For today, we sign off. Lots of love, light, and blessings. If you have any other question, any other query, do not hesitate to send us your questions and your queries, and I will be very happy to come up with a separate video on that. To watch a full length video, do connect with us every Sunday morning 9 a.m. And to watch short videos, we come and meet you every single day at 4 p.m. That's all for today. Lots of love, light, and blessings. Hari Om, Namaste, Vande Matram.